Okay, so got my, making a shelf today. I've already cut all the boards and the boards for the height. Very simple and easy DIY project. And I'm going to miter the corners to see how it looks. Well, went with the round bit. Okay, the last one didn't turn out so well, so I did another one, but we still gotta smoothen out the ends. So let's see how we can make it look real nice like. Okay, so I've routed the other end too to make a custom corner shelf. I'll get the other bits and we'll see how it turns out. Might as well router out the vertical ones as well, just to make it look nicer. Lighting is just reflecting from the clear boards, but that looks pretty good. If that was my house, I'd be satisfied with it. And it is my house, or well, it's for my house that technically my parents own, but I'm definitely satisfied with it. I completely forgot to actually film me taping it or nailing it together, but I already finished the corner shelf. About as simple as of a corner shelf I could make. Mitered all the things, try to sand it down, tried to sand it down but I probably, anyways, haven't painted it yet. Maybe if I remember to, then I'll probably film painting it, but anyways, I've already nailed it together with a little nail gun. I marked all the corners, which, holy shit, I didn't mark it straight. Now the board's at an angle. Oh boy. Anyways, okay, so I went ahead and did a coat of black paint. You can only find black paint in the shed, so I started spraying, but I ran out anyways, so I went and bought more black paint because I already started with black paint. But I do like blue, so I got ink blue to go over the black layer. So let's see how it looks. Just to make it look, trying to make it look like artsy, but anyways, that's it. Hopefully that looks nice. Black should have maybe done a little bit less blue, but I think that I like it. Love the color. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.